Here's how you can transfer your Facebook page ownership. First, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser. Go to facebook.com. Then open business.facebook.com and log into your account. Once you've done that, from the left-hand side of the menu, go to settings, and this will take you to this kind of page where you need to go ahead and select the pages option under the account section. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on add in the top right corner first if you have full control. Then enter the name of the person that you want to give full control to. As in my case, I've given this person the full control of my page. Then tap on manage, and here go to the section of full control business tools and simply toggle the switch for everything. Then tap on save in the bottom and you'll be done. You need to enter your password to verify, and if this person was already an admin but didn't have a full control, you can remove their access. It might be like cancel invitation. And once you refresh the page, they should be now listed as an admin. Since they are now an admin with full control, you can remove yourself as an admin. You can also either remove yourself or you can remain as an owner. It's all your choice. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.